I think like most coaches in any sport for that matter would really look to try and get the best out of their children. But I feel somewhere um, the society that we live in, or the nature of our desire to win makes us push for results rather than look at the process. I mean, even in your journey, the growth would have been more process oriented, and then the results would have come as
Yeah,
a result
definitely.
of that. So, how do you address that part of it? How do you focus on the process a little bit more, and then look at the results that come as a result of the process? How do you look at that?
It's all stage by stage build up. When you get into swimming, they don't just ask you to swim, right? They get you to get confidence in the water, like put your head down, blow out bubbles. So there's a process over there. So it starts from the very first step. So once you learn how to float, then you learn how to move your hands and legs, and of course you learn freestyle and all the other four strokes. And so it's always a step by step progression. Nowadays, a lot of parents were pushing in their 8-year-olds and 9-year-olds really hard. We see those kids achieve, unbelievable times and unbelievable performance. But after 4 5 years, the kids have been pushed so hard that the kids don't want to swim anymore, or they are not able to perform at all. They're just going a step back. They're not improving. So all the coaches around the world, even recently, there have been a lot of conferences and all where everybody is insisting on that stage by stage development and not to push the kids. Performance will come. They've given out the charts from all different countries, how they have progressed the training module and everything. So I think that is one thing we need to stress upon a lot. Like I said, forcing kids is fine, but we should not torture them without giving them any kind of leniency or options. So I think, yeah, that is a very good point very good question, and we insist on everyone to just go step by step, even though they are performing well. You cannot miss that step of teaching them this particular technique, because if they miss it out, and once the body gets adapted to whatever you're doing, it's very tough to change. We have something called muscle memory, and once you get that muscle memory, it's really hard to. It's going to be 10 times more to change. The bad habits. I advise everyone to go step by step, and according to the age,